Now my colleague Harishri joins us with the latest news and updates.
Thanks for that, Tina. And we'll start with the former Labour Minister of UP who has been arrested for his alleged role in multi-crore Labour and Construction Cooperative Federation scam. The BSP minister has now been held for allegedly taking a bribe of 5 crore rupees from engineers and contractors in lieu of handing over construction work to the Construction Cooperative Federation.
देखिए, ऐसा है कि मेरा पूरा राजनीतिक जीवन संघर्षों से भरा रहा है और हमारा परिवार लगातार परीक्षाएं देता रहा। मैं ईश्वर पे विश्वास करता हूं और आपको ये विश्वास दिलाता हूं कि वक्त आने पर ये सिद्ध हो जाएगा कि मैं निर्दोष हूं। मैं साफ बात करता हूं। मैं
इसकी बात कर रहा हूं जिसे नसीमुद्दीन का नाम आ रहा, बार-बार नाम आ रहा, उस पर क्या कहेंगे? नसीमुद्दीन का जो नाम आ रहा है,
अब मैं बताया नहीं आपको कि देवी पे शेर थोड़ी चढ़ाया जाता है, बकरे को काट के चढ़ा दिया जाता है। हम लोग वर्कर हैं, छोटे लोग हैं, मेरा कोई लेना देना नहीं। उसकी बाकायदे कमेटी बनी हुई थी, प्रशासनिक कमेटी।
आपको मालूम है किन लोगों का हाथ हो सकता है क्या इस ढंग की कोई बात? आप रहे हैं सरकार में, श्रम मंत्री रहे हैं।
अब वो देखिए, जो कुछ है आज नहीं तो सच सामने आ जाएगा। भी यही सब लोग हैं अपना, जो हमारे पीछे वहाँ भी पड़े हुए थे।
उस सरकार में कौन लोग? वही लोग हैं जो इस सरकार में भी पीछे पड़े हैं। सरकार पे आप दोष दे रहे हैं?
नहीं, कुछ ऐसे लोग रहे जिनसे हमारी विचारधारा नहीं मिलती थी, तो उस समय भी हमको परेशान करते रहे। आप ध्यान करिए, मैंने 30 नवंबर 2010 को एक बयान दिया था कि मैं राजनीति से संन्यास ले रहा हूं। तब मैं श्रम मंत्री था उस समय। और देश में, प्रदेश में जो वातावरण है और भ्रष्टाचार इसका, उससे मुझे घुटन महसूस हो रही है। तो अब उसके बाद में एक लाभी काम करने लगी, जैसे 10 वेश्या या कोई
नाम बताएंगे।
अब वही सब लोग हैं, नाम लेने से क्या फायदा? आप सबको जानते हैं, आज नहीं तो कल उनका भी पाप सामने आएगा। मैंने तो कोई गलत काम ही नहीं किया।
Pranshu is now with us on the phone line. Pranshu, give us more details about this ex-minister who's been held for taking bribe, and also what kind of an inquiry is now being instituted in this case.
Well, see, Badshah Singh is one of the senior leaders as far as the UP politics is concerned. He has been in politics right from the decade of 80s. Was initially associated to BJP, and it was only in 2007 that he has switched over his loyalty to the BSP. As the part of the cabinet minister in Mayawati's government, he was heading the important portfolio of the Labour Ministry. So he was the Labour minister in Mayawati's government. But later on, just a few months before the elections, earlier this year, he was sacked from the ministry, removed from the BSP on the charges of corruption, and after that he has joined BJP and has also contested the last elections on the BJP ticket but has lost. So technically he is at the moment part of the Bharatiya Janata Party, not BSP, but yes, in the Mayawati's government he was the BSP minister. Now this particular case which is against him, it's an ongoing probe in the LACFED scam, that is the Labour and Construction Cooperative Federation scam, under which the charges is that several hundred crores of rupees were siphoned off by the engineers of LACFED, the authorities and also the politicians in the name of allotment of construction works and mismanagement in construction works. So the charge against Badshah Singh is that he as a minister has accepted 5 crore rupees bribe for allocating a particular tender to the LACFED, and this arrest comes after the questioning and interrogation and the details coming out from some of the key people of this cooperative federation, the engineers and the officers who have already been arrested in past. So that is the link to Badshah Singh's arrest, but many also see it as a political exercise because Badshah Singh at the moment not with the BSP, he is with the BJP. He has lost the election, so that is what also Badshah Singh says, that since he is not politically relevant, therefore this action has come over him. But the fact remains that Badshah Singh is also known in politics more for his muscle man techniques. He has in fact in the past also formed a band of armed men known as a particular Sena in Bundelkhand. So clearly he is a big name as far as the politics of Uttar Pradesh is concerned and the politics of Bundelkhand region is concerned.